When a relationship is created among two tables, a join line has been created. And there are three different types of joins that can be selected. One is the inner join, the other is a left outer join or a right outer join. Now, by default, the inner join is the one that is established. And what the inner join does is when you're questioning the data or creating a query from two different tables, the result of the query will be that the records will have matching on both tables. So for example, I have a child and I have the child guardian table here. If I click run, you can see I only have two children's names listed. That's because in my child guardian table here, I only have two records. So if I open up my child guardian, you can see I've only listed two records there, where if I open up my child game, I have many more records. Now, instead of an inner join, you can change that to a left outer join or a right outer join. And to do that, you just select the join line, right-click, and open up your join properties. So to do your left outer join, I want to make sure I want to include all the records from the table on the left-hand side, which is my child table, and also those records that are equal on the child guardian. So if I click OK here, and now if I go to my query tools and run my query, you can see it lists all the children there. They don't necessarily have to have a matching record because it listed all the records on the left side, the left table, which is your child table. The right outer join will include all the records from your child guardian and only those from the child table that are equal. Now, there's only two records in the child guardian table, so it's going to look very much like the inner join, but that's where the difference will be. So that is the difference between a inner join, a left outer join, and a right outer join. And most of the times, the default is an inner join, and that's the join that you want to have.